Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming Amtrak. We might have a BNSF or something come. The last Amtrak video I had a double train meet. So, and maybe hopefully we get a triple train meet. I don't know. Anyways, make sure you have a nice day. So, let's watch. Oh, and guys, I gotta show you something cool. So, you know, like on railroad crossings, these are what they put there. Like, you know, on railroad crossings, these are what they put there. Like, don't you see the concrete things? Yeah, there used to be railroad crossings here. Now, they built a bridge, so people didn't have to wait for trains. But, yeah, I think too many people are complaining. So, anyways, I put those here. But I don't think there's this much. But anyways, let's just record the video. Hey guys. Oh wait, no, that's a Northstar. That's a Northstar. That's Northstar.
Okay.
What? Guys, there's also a Northstar. Apparently, there's a Northstar coming. I guess it's yep, that's definitely a Northstar. Hi. Yeah, that one, the engine was pushing that one. Yeah, that was a cab car that I was on. That was kind of weird. Maybe that guy skipped past the Amtrak. Or maybe he came from Pinkley. Oh. Northstar barely honks their horn. And the cab car? Yeah. I once drove a cab car in a game. Okay, I'll just stop this video and then I'll... Hey guys, we're back. Here comes the Amtrak. It's right down there. Let's go. Guys, please make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.